I see.
So
So that,
basically, a few people have raised some concern regarding their grievances. They are to know how to go for algo and what is the strategy, how it is doing. So that's why I have given ki if you want to know something, I am giving you 3 to 4. You can ask me. I am available exclusively for you all.
oh, I see. Okay. Uh, as far I do not have any problem. Like like algo is like it's not one day trading, right? It's continuous process. So someday when the market is trendy, might it will hit stop loss many times. But almost 70-80% the market is in range bound. So on those days it works very fine. So I do not find any problem. It's like I just deployed once and I'm just waiting for 3 months, and I will at the end of 3 months I'll see like what is the PNL that I get, whether it is profitable or not or something like that.
Yes, yes, we can plan it out. We can discuss. We can have
Yeah,
a. So, for example, we can give you some any strategy we can take. So we can see how people behave in algo, how they are managing the algo, and what is the output that I am going to show you.
yeah. That's true.
All
Can
right.
I see my name?
Yeah, I am Dr. Shubhranshu.
No, I can see. Can I see my name here? Like you are showing some name here, right?
Here, oh, yeah.
Honest
What
name.
is it? Number 10 strategy?
Yeah. Mine is number 10.
Yes, yes. Number 10. I'll show you. Which name? In which name?
Sasikant Chaudhary.
Just hold on. It's a number 10 strategy.
Yeah. It's gold something 10.
Today we have some disturbance due to that cyclone from in Gujarat, right? So
Oh
that's why.
Oh, you are in Gujarat now.
Yeah, I'm from Ahmedabad right now, but I don't have any Wi-Fi connection as of now due to some supply
Yeah,
issue. Anyway, I told
It's
could to continue, so that's why I started. Yeah, but
yeah.
this is in your strategy. I am not seeing your name here because you are paper mode or offline mode.
No. Auto live.
Prince Umesh, Venkat Reddy, Vaisali, Balu Sahib, Shankar. But I am not seeing your name. Oh, which strategy basically?
It's like a 10.0 Smart Visa Bank Nifty Writing Gold R10.
Yes, same strategy.
Yeah, it is in auto live mode.
But let me refresh the page. Send Smart Disa Bank Nifty writing gold, right? I'm seeing one by one. This is
Yeah.
Ritu, Golu, Somyo, Shikali, Vivek, Balu Sen, Shankar. Yeah? No, no.
No. Sasi.
Sasi. Venkat, Umesh, have you archived the things?
No.
But
I think just
what is the display name?
it's saying active.
Net. But display name. What is the Trecton display name?
Yeah, it is Sasikant. Yeah.
But it is not available here. ये है शशिकांत चौधरी here.
This one. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Today,
this is every day.
yeah, you have started. Just let me know.
Yeah.
You have started from. It will be little bit slow. Okay. Today you have started. I think.
No. It's almost like 2 months.
Nee, but today it is a trade of 2 days, no? Entire.
Oh yeah. This is today's trade. You are right.
So this is 4,051 rupees profit.
Yeah, you are right. Yeah.
All right. I would like to mention one thing. Initially, there are some loss. Okay.
Yeah, I understand. Every trade cannot be profitable,
No,
right?
that is a very big question and answer to everybody. I would like to give basically. You see, these are the things you continue. You had a faith on algo. Simple, right?
Yeah.
So ultimately, algo is in 4,000 profit, excluding tax and brokerage, right?
Yeah, this is excluded. Yeah.
Excluded, included, sorry, included, right? So suppose you,
Yeah, broker.
yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So have you calculated what is the cost in 1x in your trade?
It is around 15 to 1800 something.
So suppose, so
Around 2000
around
probably. Yeah.
2000. So you are in 2000 profit today, despite of
Yeah.
whatever may be the market and irrespective of initial loss,
Yeah, yeah, I agree. Yeah.
right? So you could not, or you did not pause the strategy. Let me give another example. Yeah, let me give another example of, yeah, this is the one client, right?
Yeah, this is today's.
Yes, it is. Another, let me give another who has paused the strategy. That is the most important.
So the previous one is like 10,000 something. This is in 1x
No,
time or
yeah,
something.
just hold. Yeah, I'll say that also. I'll show you. This is Sivarasan. Let me check. One by one, I'll discuss it. Today in 10:4, he stopped, paused the strategy,
Oh,
right?
so this is in 1x, right?
How is one next? I don't know what is exactly why he has done whatever the things. Maybe some error or something. No,
Oh, I see.
no
Yeah,
idea,
yeah.
because you see in your where your any loss, it is around 700, 800, 900. You see,
Yeah,
thousand is one is thousand maximum.
yeah.
Then how it is possible to have a 3000 loss, thousand these are available? So there is some issue. Maybe some spikes are there. So yesterday might have happened.
Yeah.
But
But you are
whatever.
telling this is for the same day, right? This is for the 2 days, right?
No, no, not 2 days. Not 2 days. This is
Oh, this is not.
not for today. You see, just hold on. This is for 17th. Okay. So today he has taken loss, three loss. Okay.
So how do you know 15, 16, 17 is today's?
Yes, yes, just hold on. This is the today's trade. I click this one. You see, this
Oh,
trade is
okay.
taken 925.
Yeah, yeah. Today's day. Yeah, yeah. Today's date. Yeah.
So now he has taken the loss. Whereas, let me check another. Another is the client. Okay.
Yeah.
Let me check. This is also today's trade.
Today's. Yeah, yeah.
Again, we can cross check. Not an issue.
Yeah, yeah.
I would like to say the clarity of, suppose you add emotion to your algo, what is how dangerous it is. You see, he has taken whatever we 4 or 5 loss he has taken, no doubt. He has taken, right?
Yeah,
Then in
yeah,
between,
yeah.
he paused the strategy at 10:57,
Oh.
right? So I'll tell another client, right?
This is
Same
2x.
CX. But you see, last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades are all profit.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
See, so in 12, 27, 12, 11, 11. So that, see, he has paused and he has continued, had a faith on algo, right?
Yeah, that's why I also do. I never pause it.
See, so that is the difference only,
Yeah,
right?
I never pause it. Like you never know if you take a 2x
Yes,
trade
that
and all it is
he is
profitable.
also, he has also taken 5, 6 profit. You see,
Yeah, yeah,
so ultimately this algo is designed to take some risk and some reward. Suppose he has taken 1000 or 1500, 1500 average 1500 1000 loss, and around
yeah.
3000, 2500 above profit. So ultimately algo is managed of his own.
So, so okay. So this is overall, right? Like from
Yes,
AM
yes,
to
this is
30.
overall. Just let me check a little bit. Few algos are there, so just hold on. Okay, it's okay. Tell me what exactly you are asking.
Now this 34 trade it is in 1 day or something, or it's
No,
overall.
no, no, no. We need to calculate. We need to structure.
Oh,
Suppose
I see, I see. Okay, okay, okay.
you have
It's
to
like a
see what exactly this is the price and what this is 18 May
yeah,
10/4. So you have
yeah,
to check like this only.
yeah.
So
I understand. I understand you totally.
yes, so that is one by one you have to. So only thing, algo has given profit, whereas if
Yeah,
you add your emotion, then it is going to be dangerous.
yeah. That's true. That's very true.
Let me go to the statistics of that strategy. That is number 10. Where is number 10? Let me check here. So basically, we are focused on automation. So not we should not involve our emotion. So I generally
Yeah.
guide people to go with a proper research. First, do the research. I have written here very clearly 5 to 15 trade per entry. I have clearly mentioned here. Loss per trade is 1,000. But you have seen the only few trades more than 100,000, otherwise 600, 700. I have calculated slippage also, right? So these are the instruction already given here, and this strategy is giving tremendous return. You calculate, suppose it is, just hold on. Hello, my audio is coming?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, there are some disturbance. If anything, just let me know. Okay. So my screen is also visible.
Yeah, it's also visible. Yeah.
Okay. So already suppose it is around 5 lakhs. You curtail to 50% or 60% or 70%. Still you are in profit. As you discussed about your suppose 50% your brokerage, still also you are in profit.
Yeah, we have to see at the end of the month maybe.
Okay. Yes, somebody. Acha, please mute yourself, those you are not talking, so that when your turn come, we can discuss. Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And
Now,
like,
yeah.
yeah, I do not have any problem with your strategy. Everything is okay with me. The one thing I have realized, before it used to take trade even after like 2:30 or something.
No, no, no. Basically, that is few strategies are not designed not to take after 235 or 225. Like this, this has been coded accordingly.
No, but before it was like you can take the trade until 3, right?
No,
But
huh?
now you have modified it till 2:30.
Yes, we have seen somewhere. You want to be taken so that you can customize things. But I ultimately all backtested data. So the last 10 minutes volatility generally takes away all your no, theta decay and profits.
I understand. Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
that's why,
But I
uh,
was
yeah.
Yeah, but I was very much comfortable with the old one. Like, yeah, that those take the trade even after 2:30 and that continues until 3. That was absolutely fine with me.
So do
But
I?
now I realize they did not take the trade after 2:30.
Nee,
What can I
basically
do?
there are some. Just I'll show you. The timing entry timing I have just show you. And so I have a few maximum strategy. I have curtailed to 225 around. This is
Yeah,
1425. Suppose.
yeah, that's what I realized. Yeah, that's why I realized. But before it was until 3. So yeah, maybe you can maybe customize like the timing. The trade timing is from like from morning 10 o'clock to 3, or maybe from
No,
morning
you
10
do. You
o'clock
can
to.
do one thing. You note down my WhatsApp number. If you want, the trade should take till 950, 250 or 245.
Yeah,
Then I can customize it,
yeah,
and initial starting time also I can modify.
yeah, I understand, but I just noticed. So maybe you have changed it, and I just noticed like 2 days back.
Not today.
Before
I
you
have
said,
maybe I think from since 1 month or 2 month back, I have already 1 month back. I have already stopped or reduced the timing of entry from 225 and
no,
yeah.
but I'm okay with the timing. Like I do not have any issues until if even if it takes the trade at 3 o'clock, I do not have any problem.
So we'll do one thing. You note down my
Yeah,
WhatsApp number. You can
yeah,
text
I'm
me.
already on your WhatsApp. I'm already on WhatsApp. We already had some short conversation before, so you are on my WhatsApp.
Okay, so do one thing. Tell me कि strategy 10, I need a customized trade.
Yeah,
It should take at 10 o'clock and it should not take after 3 o'clock.
yeah.
And their exit timing should be 3:10. Three input I want. You give me, then I will make a customize and I will
Sure.
give you that strategy to you.
Yeah, but in that strategy, you do not change anything. You just increase the timing. That should be
No,
quite
but
clear enough.
this is one strategy which is successfully running. So I will not
Yeah.
do anything. Only I will give you a new strategy which is as good as same as this strategy. Only increase the timing. That's all.
That's great. That's great. That's great.
That can be
That's
done.
great.
That customize we can help you out. Customize basically. I have written there also. Anytime you need any strategy, any customize, ki it should not take more than one trade, or it should take. Somebody has given me. Ki it should take after half an hour. I'll show you. I made it also.
Okay.
Same strategy. You see,
Yeah.
uh, 30 minutes.
Uh-huh.
Reactivate after 30 minutes. I have given a customize here.
Okay. So now which is already there, right? So this is that activates at what time? It's after 10 minutes
9
or something.
9:25 9:25.
Oh, so the starting time for all the strategies is 9:35, right?
No, not all strategy. Few 9:20, few 9:18,
No,
few
I
9:30.
mean this one. I mean this one particular 10 smart
Yes,
before.
yes, yes.
Are
Yeah, yeah, it starts from 9:25.
yeah, that's fine. Yeah, starting time is fine, but I just wanted to increase a little timing, like
This is 9:25. This is 9:25, right?
oh, okay, that's good. That's good.
So
Yeah.
I can easily modify it for your you. Don't worry about it. That can be done,
That's fine with me.
right? So that can be
Yeah,
just hold on. That can be done,
yeah,
right? So you want this strategy?
yeah,
Uh, Entry till 3 p.m.
yeah. That is the last, right?
Yeah, entry till 3.
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll do
Uh-huh.
one thing.
Yeah,
Simple, right?
oh, it's very simple. Oh,
Yeah, it's simple. Yeah, 15:07 is timing. You okay?
yeah, no problem.
Yeah, 15:10 I'll make.
Yeah, whatever it is, like it takes three or 3, 5, 10. It's fine.
So 15:07 is the last exit timing. It will automatically
Yeah,
exit.
yeah, yeah. That's fine.
Right? So that is a activity. I have done it. Then I publish
Uh-huh.
it. Right? I'll deploy it.
Okay.
Right? I have made it for you right now.
Okay. But again, I already have subscribed your
I'll give
W2
you.
and
I'll
I
give
have
you a
subscribed.
coupon on personal chat. Don't worry about it.
Oh, that's great. That's great also.
Right?
That's
I'll
great.
make it into offline mode also on my own
Okay.
platform.
Okay. Yeah, that's great.
All right. So in front of you made this activity. So I'm
Yeah,
my
that's great.
net is little bit slow. As I told now, broadband is not available.
No
So,
issues, no issues. I understand. It's like because of the typhoon. I understand. It's
but
okay.
I have given a commitment so that you see, this is a strategy entry till 3 p.m.
Oh yeah.
and entry
Oh
this is a offline mode. Right? I'll give a coupon to you on
yeah.
personal chat.
Sure. But why is going to entry till 3 p.m.?
No, it's a entry till
Both
3
are same, right?
entry till 3 p.m. No, it is
3 p.m.
paper mode then the offline mode.
Oh, I see. Okay, the deployment mode is different. I know.
I have done one paper mode and another in basically I believe in this offline mode
Oh, that's fine. No problem.
because this trade is coming from master trust. Hello.
Yeah. I understand.
Yeah.
The recruitment mode is different. That is why it is showing you. I understand completely.
Yeah, this is paper mode. Then this is a pure offline mode. Another is live. Basically, I suggest everybody to basically to go for offline mode first, so that will be easy for you.
No, I don't have any problem. I'm running since 2 3 months, so direct live on is okay. Live auto is fine.
Okay, then it's good. Basically, you should have faith on yourself, and once you are running, let it run. If you want to stop, then stop it.
Yeah, I never stopped it. I just let it run. I just
Yesterday,
watch whether
I
there
think,
is maybe some error or something or not.
yeah, yesterday this strategy has given some loss due to trending market, right?
Yesterday it was giving. Yeah, yesterday, but like 95% it is like a sideways or some a little trend, but
Yes, yes.
it's rarely it is trendy on very it's rarely is very trending. Sometimes it gets some
You
trend.
see, this is one strategy that is called 8.1
Yeah,
silver
yeah, yeah,
version 10. So this is strategy in today's market. It has given 3,000 rupees profit. It is on
Yes, I
live,
understand. Yeah.
right? Then I have initiated one margin reducer strategy.
Oh, okay.
So I'll give you the explanation also here. This is a bank nifty,
Oh,
right? So here you can
uh-huh.
reduce your margin. This will initiate buy signal.
Okay, I understand. Okay.
So now if you say this is also today it has given 1900 loss, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yesterday it has given 7,000 profit only on 10,000 rupees.
Oh, that's great.
But this is not for
It's
trading.
open buy, right?
Yeah, option buy, but this is not for trading. This is for to reduce your margin. Suppose you use
Oh, I
10,000
understand.
here
Yeah,
and your
I understand.
option
Yeah.
selling as I have given you. Suppose you want to run this and you want to run suppose this strategy. I'll show you which I was discussing right now a few minutes back. This strategy. Suppose this strategy around 1 lakh rupees. Just hold on, somebody is coming. Okay. So you see, this is the somebody is coming for entry. Is no presentation. Okay. So suppose this is you have only 70,000 rupees.
Okay.
So, but this strategy required around 1 lakh rupees. I have given 20,000 extra, but it required 1 lakh because it will sell to one call, one put.
Yeah.
So,
One pair.
so you don't have 1 lakh rupees. So do one thing, you
Uh-huh.
run this strategy.
Okay.
So it
Oh,
will
I see.
initiate buy signal.
Uh-huh.
You can see the buy signal generated 918 and exited at 311.
Oh, okay. That's great.
So throughout the day, it will give a cushion to this strategy to run around 70,000 rupees.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah.
So this is the logic and reason behind I am going to give you the activity so that it will be very no convenient for everybody, and this is across all that is basically across all strategy.
Yeah. That's true.
It's not
Yeah.
only strategy creator for us, it is across all strategy creator. You can utilize
So
this,
you
and
can.
yes, I have kept in marketplace. You can see here I kept in marketplace. It is free of cost for everybody.
Oh.
You can run it as a margin reducer.
Oh.
You see, this is a margin reducer for Nifty and Bank Nifty.
Oh. So so what if I run this one along with my strategy number 10? What will happen?
So there, I think 2 lakh margin is required.
Yeah.
So it will reduce to 1,20,000.
Oh, okay. So, but it will not affect the number. It will not affect the number of trades.
No,
Like
I'll
in
see.
number.
I'll show you. I will show you. You see, I'll show you the strategy. Yesterday, it took trade at 918,
Uh huh.
exited at 311. Only one entry. I am not
So this
showing.
also has
I am not showing
so
this
this also
profit.
has separate entry, right? This
Yes,
also
yes,
has separate.
separate. I
Okay.
am not showing this end profit because profit and loss. I am not worried about this strategy.
Yeah, the purpose is to reduce the margin. Yeah, I
Yes,
understand.
and however, I have tested it in a run every month, every week. At least 1,000 rupees profit it will give at least
So
on
this
net
will run. This will activate every day, right?
every day. Today it has given
Okay.
a 1900 loss. But you see what is that? 9 18 01 11 03.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay.
Same, same strategy.
Okay.
9 18
So I
02.
have to deploy this one. So I have to deploy this one and number 10, right, to reduce
Yes,
the margin.
and it's not number 10. Any selling strategy
Oh,
he
and
is.
okay, okay, I understand. I'm talking in my context. Okay,
Yes,
I
yes, yes.
understand.
So basically, this is suppose you want to run in two multiplication there
Uh-huh.
because four lot.
Mhm.
So you need to run. If you have money, you run only one x. So you can reduce 25,000.
Okay. But then it takes two pair, right? Like four lot, right? So in this one I have to make multiplier two, right?
Yes, yes, multiplier two. So for one two leg strategy, you have to. I have written here also. Let me check.
Okay.
Sorry,
No,
here
I've
in
not seen. I'm just seeing it
now
now.
I'll giving
I'm just seeing.
giving you. You see, bank nifty margin. You mean to
Okay.
reduce your intramargin. Suppose you want to run six leg strategy, then simply run this on
Okay.
3x mode.
That's great. Yeah, yeah, I understand completely now. Okay.
So this is I
Yeah,
have
I'm
kept
just seeing it now. Yeah, yeah,
I
yeah.
kept is free
Okay.
also. I am kept is free also.
Oh,
So
the
no,
first
no,
strategy is free from you, I guess.
so this is the only two strategy I am going to offer free.
Yeah, I understand. I understand, Dr. Subramanian.
And but this is basically free concept. I don't believe. Suppose I am giving you half an hour. I think that is more than 500. I'm worthy to get it actually.
Yeah, I understand. It's like give and take, right?
So like, what basically we here to help each other, not to blame each other.
Yeah, yeah, that's true. Yeah, market is not in our hand. I understand completely.
Yes,
Sometimes it is very trendy, and sometimes it is very like choppy and some sideways. So
yes,
it's very difficult to predict at the beginning of the day how it is going to be day. Like it is going to be trendy, or it is going to be choppy, or it is going to be sideways. No one knows.
yeah, 7 days back. 7 days back, natural gas was sideways, right? People used to
Yeah,
tell,
yeah, yeah,
okay,
yeah.
it is giving more brokerage and all. I'll show you. Over last few days, I stopped everybody. Well, okay, I'll stop every day. Decrease to 1x. You see, last 5 days trade, yesterday trade. Only it took
Oh,
only
okay.
two entry, one entry exit, two trade, and
Oh,
now
okay,
only
okay.
on 20,000 because I have written that I used to write more margin basically. It is only
Yeah,
20,000
yeah,
margin.
yeah, yeah. Yeah, if it is give loss continuously, this so it should be fine.
Yes, yes, yes.
It will save you from the drawdown.
I think you have seen my statistics also. They are one. Just hold on. Statistics.
Am I taking your much time?
No, no, no. I love to help you out. Don't worry. I'm given at least 4 o'clock. I have, but another 15 minutes we can continue. See, here I have written everything. Total fund required with 5 days consecutive loss, if any. So you can able to run in one
Yeah,
month.
I understand. Yeah, I understand. I understand.
That's why I have given this is because this is not actual margin. It is a buffer margin.
Yeah, buffer margin.
And
Yeah,
here
that's
also,
possible. Yeah,
here on Google
yeah,
Drive, I've uploaded everything since beginning.
yeah,
So that's why I told you ki this is the strategy where you see only one trade initially one day before. I think this is only one trade.
oh, yeah, yeah, yeah,
So suppose this fellow he has taken on 9,000 rupees in 8 days.
yeah. Oh,
These
that's
are all
great.
live. These are live, not theoretically.
Oh, yeah, yeah. It is auto live. Yeah,
Yeah, this is
live
auto
auto live.
live. You see, after 3:30 you can. This is 8,500. It's very simple.
Yeah,
And
yeah,
out of 30,000 you can calculate. This is 33%, but actually it is on 50% of your fund.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Actual capital is like
Yeah.
yeah,
So he has given 5 days. So he has written 8 days. Average 8,000. One loss, I think here 1,200 and 2,200.
yeah,
And I must give you कि how much trade taken. This is also a negative part, but you have to manage. You see,
Yeah.
this is a sideways market. It had taken around 15 trades.
Oh, okay.
But what to do? Because ultimately it's kept into 2000. Otherwise, suppose I'll show you some another instances here in 2000, 1000. You see, it has taken trade entry, then exit, again entry. So it is keep on
Yeah,
tracking, towards a
yeah,
trend, but unable to get it. But yesterday, what happened? Only it is again a sell signal,
okay. Yeah,
again
yeah,
buy, and it's reached the target.
yeah. That's true.
You
Yes, yes.
see, 547, 40, after 3 seconds, it will again reverse the signal and automatically taken the profit.
Oh, yeah,
So thing is that you have to believe in this system, then
yeah,
only, right? So everybody, those who are, suppose he is trying on offline mode, so
yeah,
he is having the profit.
yeah. 11,000 more.
Yeah, he is
Yeah, I
also.
do not have any doubt. Yeah, Dr. Subransu, I do not have any doubt on your strategy. The only problem sometimes is because of progress. Yeah, that is the only issues that I feel sometimes. But I do not have any doubt on your strategy. Your strategies are like very awesome. It does very good sometimes. But we
Yes,
have to see
broker,
both
basically
sides.
what I have to do, basically there are some risk management strategy. This is right. So
Yeah.
in long run, your principal is not going to be affected.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, I understand, Dr. Subransu. I understand completely.
Morning itself, few person or midnight, I think they have objected कि these are the things. So I told you I discuss personally. They told me open and discussion. I put 3 times reminder. Nobody has joined basically, right? So I'm
Yeah, there are many people. Yeah, there are many people that they will drag you sometimes, but when they book profit, they will not show it. But the time they book the loss, they will open it publicly. I understand it. I have seen many times.
so
So when they
basically
book the
I
profit, they
believe
put.
in, yeah, I believe in face the challenge. Any comments, any negative aspect that will give me strength. I will improve myself.
Yeah. That's true. Yeah.
So let us grow each other. Let us help each other.
Yeah,
Let us learn to
yeah.
help each other. So we can combine it, can grow.
That's true. That's true.
Yeah, few more people are there. उदय जी हैं and विनय जी हैं. Anybody would like to ask? कोई अगर कुछ पूछना चाहते हो तो पूछ सकते हैं.
You can mute me now. I have
नहीं,
taken much of your time.
no. You can mute yourself. It is possible.
Oh, I see.
हाँ,
Okay. Good evening, sir.
हाँ, good evening.
Sir, I just deployed from yesterday only, sir. Yesterday I was in minus 16,000 or something last for 2x for the strategy 10 point.
Okay, strategy
Both
10. I'll open it. I'll open it. Your strategy, right?
yes, sir. And today also it went morning minus 10,000. Then afternoon it is recovered, and I was lost only minus 1,500 only.
Net. What is your name?
Uday Shah. Uday.
Uday. Just without error, if you run 100%, it is going to give you profit. Uh, Srinivas, Sasikant, Praveen, Gofe, Uday. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So it is today 8,000 profit.
No, sir. What I did, I just put in. I think I just exit. Or I did something, but it is showing topic. But this one is second half. What I did, morning, sir. The main. So I subscribed for 250 rupees. Only one strategy in the trade run.
Okay, so but it is this strategy
Then I
from.
find in strategy. So I just want to run the paper trade also for the same. So, but I could not deploy that one. So I just removed the strategy and I deployed the paper trade. And again, I just deployed the strategy. So that's why it is showing.
Okay,
Then I
so
got the profit. But this
basically,
one is a second half.
yeah. So first half was loss, and 10:33 it has given 8,000 profit.
Yes, yes, yes.
So
Second half
basic.
it is giving.
So this is a eye opening for others also. Suppose initially trades, if you have loss also, this strategy has a
Yes.
capability to recover everything. So this is a very good example of getting 8,000 profit after 1033.
I just want to run this one for next 3 months, as you say.
Yes, yes.
So for this, so I just joined this. I just joined this meeting for this margin reducer, sir. So just now you showed. So
Oh.
just I have one question. So it is going to take plus or minus 10,000 points for this bank nifty, or you just made for 500 plus or minus from the.
No, around depend upon situation, but around 800 to 900 far basically. I'll show you. I'll show you
So okay.
practically. I'll show you practical trades also.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. This is the yesterday it has taken. You can calculate it. You see, there is a difference between this.
Yes, sir. Yesterday only yesterday or today I think yesterday only I saw your message, so that's why I didn't deploy it manually plus or minus 1,000 points from my side.
Huh.
So just waiting for this strategy. So from tomorrow I will deploy this one, sir. From tomorrow, so
So
I want to
either
reduce this one.
either you can take a buy call from your end, manually consult you can
Yes.
do, or if you want convenience, so it will take care of you.
Sir, this one is going.
Just voice is not clear. Yes, can you repeat? I think got disconnected. Please repeat. If anybody can listen, you can repeat this one because maybe there is some network issue. I'm not getting your audio.
Hello.
Yes, yes, please.
It's possible, right?
Yes, yes, it is. Okay, okay. I'm getting. Please.
Okay. Sir, this is going to take in the normal order or MIS?
MIS,
This
MIS,
margin reducer strategy.
MIS, MIS.
MIS. Okay, okay, sir. Okay, okay, okay. So only this one. Sir, what is the difference between the smart Disha algo and smart Disha bank nifty margin reducer? Both are same.
That is, there are two strategies. Let's see, hold on. One is for Nifty, another is Bank Nifty.
Bank nifty. Ah, yes, sir, I know. But the one which you are showing now,
Yes,
the name is different, right?
that is Smart Disha Bank
Smart
Nifty.
Disha. No, sir. Just one slide before. I think you changed the tab or something.
I'll show you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So what is this one, sir? Smart Disha algo means. This same
This no,
reducer
no,
for.
this is the strategy creator name. You name is this one
Okay, 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 okay.
because this is a master terminal. This is a master terminal. I am monitoring this. Just hold on. हेलो सर मैं एक वेबिनार में हूँ आई विल कॉल यू बैक जस्ट 5 मिनट्स टाइम
वो भी भेज देना.
और क्या होगा तो मुझे नहीं पता मैं अभी करता हूँ सर अगर है ना सॉरी आई गॉट ए डिस्कनेक्टेड अभी आवाज आ रही है मेरा Okay, then I got some mobile phone, so number I got disconnected. Tell me. Now it is clear?
One suggestion, sir, on marketplace it is showing too much strategies, sir. If you reduce some of the strategies, which mostly people are not deploying, so it will be very helpful. Like if it is 10 or 20 strategies, it is easy for us
I'll
to
do
search
one thing. I'll do
new
one thing.
strategies.
After margin calculation, I'll update all the margin on first week of June. Then I'll reduce at least
Now,
30 to 40%, which is not performing strategy. That I'll
yes, sir, yes, sir.
reduce and make it in public mode, not in private
Ah,
mode. Private mode. So,
okay, 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 sir.
I'll
Because
get.
I could not find new strategies because if I want to just check for the new strategies from your side, I could not find because I need to open everything.
No,
Like it
I
is
have given
already.
you the. You can go through this one, this no tab. It is written everything here. Everything. Do you see this PDF?
Yeah, the link is there right here below the illustration.
Everything is there. And moreover, you save one link only. I'll just share this one. This is a Google Drive link. Everything is available
Uh,
here.
okay, okay, okay.
I'll text it here, so you can copy it. It is already in that available.
Okay, 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 sir. Okay.
Basically, those who are interested and really would like to move ahead, we are happy to help them. Basically, that is our ultimate. Basically, we are a training center here in Ahmedabad.
Okay, 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 sir. Okay.
So
Sir,
this is
sir, are you also doing this portfolio management also, sir?
basically generally we teach, we groom them, and accordingly we move towards that. Basically, we are a hand-holding activity. We are not giving parasitic effect. We are educating people to empower themselves.
Okay, 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 sir. Because
So.
there are some other creators, they are doing this PMS just through this Nest or something, right?
No,
Those
that is
kind
there.
of
That is there. But
uh,
once you take your responsibility, there is a learning from you that will keep yourself with for lifelong.
okay.
So your money, your
Yes.
risk, you should take guidance as much as possible. We would like to extend all the guidance to you as and when required.
Okay, okay.
All right. So, right, any doubt, anything? Because I will process this in YouTube and I'll share in Tretron. For those who would like to go through, they can go through this.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
So,
Thank you.
anything you want. Basically, this MCX also that I told you ki up to till 4 o'clock, because 4 o'clock onwards it will take trade. After 3:30 also you can utilize your fund in MCX also. Right. Anything anybody would like to ask? So we can close the session right now. Anything?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay then.
No,
Okay.
not from my now. It's done. Maybe you can say the strategy, that you have created now just for me.
Yeah.
The coupon code or something, so I can log from
Yes,
there.
I'll give you. Just do one thing. Just say hello to me. I'll give immediately.
Sure, 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 sure. Thank you so much.
Okay. 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 Thanks
Thank
for
you so much
joining.
for your
Thanks for.
time.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bye bye. Take care.
Take care. Bye.